Alright. Now I changed the lower fuse socket and it was a bit tricky. First I took out the yellow wire from the regulator and fed the wires through the hole and the nuts, and there's a ring, or what is it, between nut and chassis, and then I soldered it and put the string tubes on top of the solder joint, and okay, no smell, minus 16 volts. It groups work. There were around the last LED in the signal LED, there was a bit distortion or interference, but no, not now, not anymore. And if I put phantom power on, nothing. That was my headlamp, forward headlamp, or what is it in English? I don't know. But all right, hey, I think that this is fine. Now I should do a test run. I have one project which I recorded and played by myself in a Christmas Eve, and it's only a rehearsal project or having fun, so I thought I would mix it as much analog as I can. So I think that is the next project what I do, and I have to move the mixing console out into my playing area and the recording room, and I have to cut the shorten the table because I bought 2 racks there, so this terrifying system must leave, so I can put my hardware more reasonable space. All right, yes, everything seems to be fine, so I think I put the lid back on and few screws, and I hope this is a useful video for you. I have a 6 video series about repairing the console itself, mainly changing electrolytic caps, but it's all about disassembling and also maintain. Also the console maintenance. So if you're interested, look those videos also. All right, but there will be no English captions in this film, like the first power supply video had. All right. Yes, box. No niin, eiköhän tää tässä oo. I think this is it for now. I put the lid back on, so have a nice day. See you in another video, bye.